Hi there, Jennifer here with my review of this OXO chopper and this Altura tube coffee cold brew filter. So this chopper is really convenient. If you chop things a lot, this is very handy. Has a base to keep it protected, and then you just set it on a cutting board. It has the measurements on the side and has a max line. And this, it all unscrews and comes apart, so you can take it off easily to clean it. But you set it on a cutting board, and then you just take this and go like this. You can see the blades are coming down. So you just go like that, and it chops up whatever you're chopping up, vegetables, fruit, and it just chops it up effortlessly. It's really convenient. And it has some information on the box as to how it goes together and comes apart. So that's handy to keep that. And then this is a cold brew filter. This is so fun. I love this, especially in the summer. So you take this filter and you put it in a wide mouth mason jar and you fill it with whatever kind of ground you like. I think it says around medium ground, it says. So you put it in, and then you put it in your wide mouth mason jar. You pour cold water over it and you let it sit for 12 to 24 hours, and then it's ready to go. So I think it's such a neat idea. It makes it very easy. It tells you on the box exactly how to do it, and then it also has instructions on how to do it, and also the measurements of, you know, how much of each thing to put in. So these are two items that we have in our home and enjoy, and I would recommend.